This story, and I do believe many of us have experienced this. One beautiful afternoon, one of the branches of Starbucks in Dumaguete, I greeted one of the crew members saying, "Advance, Merry Christmas." And the young lady said, with a slight warm and perfect English, she said, "Oh sir, it's happy holidays. You might offend someone by saying Christmas." I smiled and replied, "No, it's Merry or Blessed Christmas."